Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered what happens just 24 hours after starting a professional landscaping service? In today's video, I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you the progress and changes you can expect when you choose the landscape solution. Whether you are taking a small backyard upgrade or a full green makeover, our team works with care and precision to deliver results. However, some projects take more time to perfect. We will also explain what's possible within the first 24 hours and how the full transformation unfolds for the coming days. Stick around to see real examples, hear about our progress, and learn how to landscaping journey. Every great transformation starts with a solid plan. At the landscape solution, we begin with a site to visit to understand your vision and evaluate the space. Here, what's happened during the initial assessment. Site analysis, we examine your garden layout, soil quality, sunlight exposure, and climate. And second, understanding your goals. We discuss your preference, whether you want a modern design or a less rigid or a simple, low-maintenance space. And design and timeline. We create a detailed plan and provide an estimate timeline. Depending on